Why Earth2 isn't ready for testing. Shane says Earth2's testing is about to begin, but his own updates prove it is not ready and most likely won't be for a long time. Here is why. 1. Testing does not start with users. Shane admitted, "We have not been able to test on prod yet due to a hiccup with our file authentication system." What this means? If authentication is broken, players cannot even log in properly. No serious game starts by immediately handing it to users. Developers must first confirm basic systems work. Reality check. So that you all understands, let's say, best case scenario, that authentication works but has a small bug, such as misconfigured settings, minor coding errors, or server miscommunication, it could take a few days to 1 or 2 weeks to resolve. This timeline assumes the underlying system is already built correctly and only requires debugging. If testing starts with broken systems, users will experience crashes, login failures, and a product that cannot even function. 2. Production testing should have happened months ago. Shane said, "This will be the first time we are able to test the initial link to prod data." What this means? Production servers have never been tested before now. This should have been done months ago to prepare for a stable user test. If this test fails, it could take weeks or months to fix. Reality check. A game that is ready for users should already have a fully tested backend. If they are only testing now, it is nowhere near ready. 3. Hardcoding authentication, a desperate move. Shane then said, "I'm going to get the devs to hardcode some auth tokens." What this means? Instead of fixing authentication properly, they are using a quick hack just to move forward. This is not a real fix, it is a temporary patch that exposes security risks. Reality check. If authentication is not even set up properly, how can testers log in and expect anything to work? 4. How many developers would be needed for a stable test? Shane has not revealed the exact team size, but for a game like Earth2, here is how long it could take from here based on different team sizes. 5 to 10 developers, 6 to 12 months before basic testing is possible. 20 to 30 developers, 3 to 6 months for a working version. 50 or more developers, 1 to 3 months for a stable test. Reality check. If Earth2 had the right number of developers, this testing would have happened months ago. The delays suggest a small, overworked team that is not able to meet deadlines. Final thoughts. Earth2 is not ready for user testing if authentication still does not work. Production servers have never been tested. Core systems are being patched at the last minute. If Shane understood how real development works, he would never be acting this way or expressing things the way he do.